So over here, you can see that I got 3 pictures right here in print mode right here, just like this. And I'm in the custom package mode. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the image settings for these images that I have right here. In that case, I can go around onto image settings and then add in a photo border, let's say for example, and you can see that photo border is added in. You can also add in an inner stroke and change around the width right here, and you can go around over here to change around the color of this inner stroke as you need as well, just like this. So now, no matter which layout style you're in, let's say for example, if I were to go around onto picture package, then you can go around over here and add in border and inner stroke within that as well in picture package. And similarly, even in the single or contact seat view right here, you can go ahead and use zoom to fill right here, rotate to fit as well if you want, and even repeat one per page. And depending on the layout style, you can see that the image setting actually goes ahead and changes out. You can go ahead and add in a stroke border as you want as well, and even go ahead and change out the color as you need, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with print image settings inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe